Good morning, students. Class 2nd, Computer, Lesson number 3, Keyboard. Introduction of Keyboard. Keyboard is a set of keys that enables you to enter data into computer. It is the main input device of the computer. It has many keys which can be pressed to make characters like numbers, letters, or symbols required to produce. Some symbols required pressing and holding several keys simultaneously, and these process can product some actions or execute computer commands as well. Keyboard layouts. There are numbers of different arrangement of alphabetic, numeric, and the punctuation symbols of key. These different keyboards layout areas mainly because different people needs easy access to different symbols, either because they need a specialized layout for mathematics, counting, computer programming, or other purpose. Keyboards are basically of two types: QWERTY, Dvorak. QWERTY refers to the types of keyboard on a standard English. The name was given from the first 6 letters on the row above the home row keys. This layout is most widely used because of its convenience and usually standard. Dvorak keyboard is the type of the keyboard used for speed typing. The most commonly used letters are arranged in home row, which make it easy to type. Dvorak is designed differently for left-handed and right-handed people. It makes typing too easier one-hand people. Alphabet key. Alphabet key or letter keys are the key with alphabet A to Z. There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. Number keys. Number keys are the keys which have 0 to 9 written on them. Function keys. A function key is a key on a computer or terminal keyboard which can be programmed so as to use an operating system, command interpreter, or application program to perform certain action. A form of soft key. On some keyboards, computer functions keys may have default action accessible on power on. The function keys or F keys are lined along the top of the keyboard and labeled F1 through F12. These keys act as shortcuts performing center function like saving files, printing data, or refresh a page. For example, the F1 keys is often used as the default help key in mainly programs. Enter key. Alternative known as a written key send the cursor to the next line or execute a command or operating. Most full-size PC keyboard have two enter keys, one above the right shift and another on the numeric keypad. Space bar key. The space bar, also called the space bar or space key, is one of the most commonly used keys on a computer keyboard. It is used to put a space into something being typed. It is at the bottom of most standard keyboard layout, such as the QWERTY keyboard. Backspace is the keyboard key that originally pushed the typewriter carriage one position backwards, and in modern computer system moves the display cursor one position backwards, deletes the character at the position, and shift back the text after that position by one position. Delete key. The delete key is a key on most computer keyboard which typically is used to delete either in the text mode the character ahead of beneath the cursor or in GUI mode. The currently selected object key is sometimes referred to as the forwards delete key. This is because the backspace key also delete characters but to the left of the cursor. On many keyboards, the key with the backspace function is also labeled delete. Shift key. The shift key is used to type capital letters and another alternate upper character. There are typically two shift keys on the left and right side of the row below the home row. The reason there are two shift keys on a computer keyboard is to make it easier to use the shift function with all keyboard's keys. Similarly, the right shift key is best used with all keys on left side of the keyboard. Try using the left shift key to make a capital letter without reposition your hand. Alt key. Alt key is used to change alternate the function of the other pressed key. Thus, the Alt key is a modifier key used in a similar fashion to the Shift key. Caps Lock key. Caps Lock key is a button on a computer keyboard that cues all letters of Latin and Cyrillic based script to be generated in capital letter. It is a toggle key. Each press reverses its action. Tab key. The tab key is used to advance the cursor to the next tab stop. Window logo key. The window logo key, also known as Windows Win, Start, Logo, Flag or Super key, is a keyboard key which was originally introduced on the MS Natural Keyboard 1994. This key became a standard key on personal computer keyboards. In window typing, the key brings up the start menu. Page up and page down keys. The page up and page down keys, sometimes observed as PGUP, PGDN, are two keys commonly found on computer keyboard. The two keys are primarily used to scroll up and down in documents, but the scrolling distance varies between different applications. Home key. The home key is commonly found on desktop and laptop keyboards. The key has the opposite effect on AND key. In limited size keyboards where the home key is missing, the same can be reached via the keyboard combination of the FN plus left side arrow. It is used on some full-size keyboard instead of possibly localized text label. Insert key. The insert key, insert often observed ins, INS, is a key commonly found on computer keyboards. It is primarily used to switch between the two text entering modes on a personal computer. Words processor over typing mode, in which the cursor typing overwrites any text that is present in the current location. Okay, everyone, now I read this lesson from the book, lesson number 3, keyboard, page number 21. A keyboard consists of different types of keys like alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, and special character keys. Alphabet keys. Alphabet keys or letter keys are the keys with alphabet A, B, C, D to Y, Z. There are 26 alphabet keys on keyboard. Number keys. Number keys are the keys which have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 written on them. There are 10 number keys. Function keys. There are 12 function keys. They have their own special function. Enter key. Enter key takes the cursor to the next line. After typing a sentence, you press enter key. When you start typing again, you will be typing in the next line. There are two enter keys on a keyboard. Spacebar key. It inserts a blank space between the words. Spacebar. It is longest key on keyboard. Backspace key. Backspace key is found above the enter key. It erases the characters to the left the cursor and thus helps you to correct mistake that you made while typing. For example, you have typed the wrong spelling of the word computer, computer, as computter. So now here is 2t is you type by mistake. So you use a backspace key and delete 1t. Place the cursor after the second t and then press the backspace key to erase the extra t. Delete key. When you press the delete key is erase the character on the right of the cursor. From example, you typed the wrong spelling of printer. printer is a correct spelling. As you write printer, so O is a wrong. Place the cursor after the letter T and then press the delete key to erase O. Caps lock key. When caps lock key is on, you see a light on the right side of the keyboard. All the alphabets you type appear in capital R uppercase. From example, if you type the word in a small letter computer, it will appear on computer in capital letter on your monitor. When you press the caps lock key again, you will find that the light disappear. Now on typing the alphabet, they will appear in small or lower case. From example, if you type machine, then it will appear as machine on your monitor. Number lock key. In case you wish to type number using numeric keypad on the right side of the keyboard, press number locks key and a light will appear on the top right side of the keyboard. This shows that you can now use numeric keypad. Shift key. The shift key is used in combination with other keys. There are two shift keys on the keyboard. One is on the left side of the keyboard and the other is on the right side of the keyboard. It is used when you want to type the upper symbol on the keys. For example, if you want to type the symbol at the rate, then press the shift key along with the key 2 and at the rate. For example, if you want to write capital letter A, then press and hold shift key. While you press A key, the capital A appear on your monitor. Punctuation key are found on right side of alphabetic keys. These keys are used when you write a sentence on paragraph. For example, a full stop is used at the end of each sentence. Arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard to move the cursor left, right, up and down. Arrow marked on keys show the direction in which the cursor moves. Arrow keys are also called cursor controller keys. Okay, now I think you understand what is the means of this chapter. If you have any confusion, any doubt, you message me in my personal WhatsApp. Okay, see you. Bye. Allah Hafiz.